video, we are going to create a mod that will increase further the light output of the taillight, especially the middle one. Higher light means safer drive, especially at night. Okay guys, so we're inside the car and we're going to replace the middle tail light. So palitan natin siya ng mas brighter na light. By default, incandescent bulb lang siya, typical. So what we're going to do is replace it with a T10, same size, T10 LED. Canbus type, so means brighter. Okay, it's not an ordinary T10 LED, it's a canvas type. Okay, so ito siya. Okay, from Lazada. Okay, siguro mga 300 plus 300 plus ang pagkabili dito. Okay, in order to remove this, kailangan matanggal mo yung assembly, yung housing. So para matanggal mo yung housing, kailangan disengage mo yung clip. Para ma-disengage mo, move it forward, push it. So it's a push, and then now you can see I have removed it. So makikita mo yung reflector. Inside the reflector nandun yung incandescent na bulb. So ito yung housing ng bulb. So you have to remove this. Okay, and then so meron kang way to maneuver easily. Okay, so pihit mo lang to, it's a counterclockwise and you will see the bulb. So as written here, it's a 16 watt 12 volt 16 watt. Okay, it's Life S921 Japan. Okay, just pull it out. Okay, and then get the T10. Okay, we're gonna get the single piece only. Mahirap siya tanggalin. So batasin mo lang siya and re-reveal sa'yo yung light. Okay, try not to touch the diodes. Yung housing lang kailangan matouch. Okay, yan. So kakabit mo ngayon siya sa dito. Ngayon di ko alam kung nasan yung polarity na tama, pero itatry muna natin either way. So isaksak mo. So be careful of those resistors sa middle. So usually natatanggal yan pag hindi ka maingat magsuksok. So dapat straight lang. Okay, tapos ikabit mo ngayon dun. Pag hindi yan umilaw, kailangan mong baliktarin. Okay, so try natin. Okay, umilaw siya, di ba? Super bright. So it's very good. Okay, pwede natin kabit. Okay, ilagay na natin ngayon sa housing. Hirap siyang kapain. So, okay. Tanggalin mo muna yung wire. Ayaw na niya matanggal. push, then pull. Okay, ayaw niya matanggal. Okay. Mas maganda, tanggal siya ba pag ikakabit mo. So, i-line up mo lang to dito. Ayaw. So, pag ganun siguro. Yun. So, yan. And then, turn clockwise. Nag-click. Then, you can now insert this here. Dapat mag-click. Yun. So, pwede mo na i-rotate. And then, line it up like that. Itong dalawang ipin na yun, pasok mo. Yun, narig niyo yung tag. Yun siya. Let's try it now.